Hello everybody, I hope everyone is having a great day today. Today this video is going to focus on how to make our first sounds on the flute. All you're going to need is your head joint, so if you want to go ahead and grab that, just friendly reminder, make sure your case is right side up and on a flat surface so that nothing falls. Alright, now that we've got that, I'm going to talk a little bit about what the head joint looks like. It's just this part, the part with none of the keys. And so, you see this part is the embouchure plate. And what we're going to do is we want the longer side facing to our right when we start playing. Basically, so the bigger side of the embouchure plate is facing towards us, because that's where you'll rest it on your face. Alright, so you can set that down for just a moment, preferably in your case if you still have it. Okay, so first what I want us to all think of, the syllable that we're going to use to make the sound is going to be poo. So when you say it, you don't want to firm up your corners, you just want to let the air come out. So if everyone just wants to take a big sigh with me. See how you're not pushing the air, you're not forcing it, it's just kind of coming out, you're just letting your body do it itself. So now what we're going to do is do that same thing, take a big breath and just release it and let it come through your lips as you say poo. Awesome. You may run out of air fast during this video, especially with the flute. It takes a lot more air and there's less resistance, so it makes it a little bit harder to keep the airstream going. So don't be discouraged if you can't get a very long sound by the end of this video. It's a struggle for everyone. Alright, so what we're going to do now is hold your hand out, just flat, and hold it with the tip of your fingers about where your nose is. And it'll vary for everyone, we all have different face shapes, but go ahead and do poo again, and aim for like right here on your hand. You want to have your airstream going a little bit downwards, so alright, awesome. So now we're going to take our head joint again, and where you're going to want to put it on your face is the part where your lip kind of stops, like where the fleshy part meets the regular skin. You're going to want to set it kind of close to the edge, kind of like right there. And you're going to just set it like that. This is what it should look like. Remember that the longer part should be going to your right, and the thicker part of the embouchure plate should be what's on your face. So we're going to set it like this, and then I just want you to poo. Just go ahead and blow the air with the poo syllable. So if you're not getting a sound out of that, it's most likely because your airstream is going too straight out, and you want it to be a little bit more downwards. Try to manipulate your airstream so it's going down a little bit, like we did when it was going onto our hand. And if that doesn't work, another thing you may be facing, and I would pause this video and try a couple of times just to give yourself some time to get the hang of it. But if that just isn't working for you, a lot of people will have their embouchure plates rolled too far out, and so something that can help is just to roll it in just a little bit. And that'll normally get you a better sound. Thank you for watching.